Okay, so I need to find a different combination, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try blue at the top. So at the end of the day, we need to find the right combo, right?
Yeah, the right combo as well as the right colors.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Nerissa.
Yeah?
Are you really allergic to big cat though?
No.
Okay, I might be. Okay.
Okay. So 3 of the colors are correct, but none of them are in the correct spot.
Okay, so I need to find a different combination, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try blue at the top. So at the end of the day, we need to find the right combo, right?
Yeah, the right combo as well as the right colors.
Okay, good.
The right combo as well as the right colors. The right combo as well as the right colors. The right combo as well as the right colors.
Okay, good.
If you refer to the YouTube comment that I left on the announcement stream, that should help clarify some things, as well as the official cover post. If you refer to the YouTube comment that I left on the announcement stream, that should help clarify some things, as well as the official cover post. If you refer to the YouTube comment that I left on the announcement stream, that should help clarify some things, as well as the official cover post. If you refer to the YouTube comment that I left on the announcement stream, that should help clarify some things, as well as the official cover post. Yeah. Okay, we've got some more jellyfish over here, as well as some more treasures. Okay, we've got some more jellyfish over here, as well as some more treasures. Okay, we've got some more jellyfish over here, as well as some more treasures. Okay, we've got some more jellyfish over here, as well as some more treasures. A little scared to leave these guys alone.
Pookie Den the Pookie Dog, congrats on the 1 mil crow. New layout looks pretty poggers, as well as the new poses. New layout looks pretty poggers, as well as the new poses. New layout looks pretty poggers, as well as the new poses. New layout looks pretty poggers, as well as the new poses. I haven't heard poggers in a long while. That's nostalgic.
You'll get it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Nerissa. Are you really allergic to big cat though?
I must be allergic to big cats.
No. I'm not allergic. You can be allergic to me. Are you really allergic to big cat though?
No.
Okay, I might be. Okay.
Okay.
0 hits.
So 3 of the colors are correct, but none of them are in the correct spot.
Okay, so I need to find a different combination, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try blue at the top. So at the end of the day, we need to find the right combo, right?
Yeah, the right combo as well as the right colors.
Okay, good.
Oh, look. Now we have to find out what ones were in the correct spot.
Okay, so
I'm gonna guess these 2 were hits. It can't be red. Red must be the color that it is not. Let's try green.
I think we got the blue
Okay.
one.
2 blows.
Yeah. So blue is definitely correct.
Blue is correct.
Maybe
Got
then
right.
red was the right position?
Probably the red was right. Let's see.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put white. Maybe green? No, wait.
1
Oh.
hit, 2 blows.
What are we doing wrong?
So I think the right one is blue and yellow. The second one can be green, yeah. And the
then
last one maybe white.
we'll try it. Blue is definitely correct.
Blue is correct.
0
Okay, blue is not the right color. Never mind.
That's funny. Okay, it's blue. It was not blue.
I was sure it was blue. Oh, red! The red one is correct then.
Okay.
Because it's the same on the second and the fourth line.
And then the pink is correct.
Pink is correct. Okay.
I think. It's either the pink or green in the middle is correct.
Yeah,
I'm not
because
sure.
yellow was not correct.
Yeah.
My guess is blue is correct, but that's not the right position. Maybe here?
Yeah.
And then white here. Let's try.
Okay, okay.
0 blows.
Okay.
Okay, one color is wrong.
Okay, so we know for sure it's this one.
Yes.
We're pretty positive it's this one. And we're pretty positive it's this one.
Now, I think the white... No,
Is
wait.
it yellow or is it
White
green?
White is not correct.
Yeah. So is it green or is it yellow?
It can be yellow though, because if you look at the second line, we got 3 right and yellow was not right. If we assume that blue is right. Maybe green?
Woo!
Yes! Nice one! I like this game. It's cute.
Woo, let's go. Yeah, it's cute. We still have a winner based on who gets it, but as far as I'm concerned, this is a team game.
That's cute.
Want to try again?
Sure.
We're so smart when we work together.
It's a cute cope game.
Yeah.
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop, it's called Not Just Ice, haha, yay!